Imperial Coolray Glass Panel Installation Instructions. Here are a few points you should know before you begin your installation. Please read all instructions carefully. Distance between posts should never exceed 6 feet. Stair posts are taller than regular posts. Please observe all national and local building codes. Here are the tools you'll require for the installation. A measuring tape, a miter saw with a carbide tip blade, a cordless drill, a 1/4 inch hex bit, preferably magnetic, a 1/8 inch drill bit, and a rubber mallet. First step, to install the railing posts. Please note that bolts and anchors are not included in the post kits. Before you install, make sure to take accurate measurements and plan your project properly. Place the post at 1 1/2 inches from the deck edges, then mark its location. Insert the provided gasket to prevent base corrosion, and then loosely tap into the place using 2 lag bolts. Measure exact distance between end posts, then calculate equal distances between center posts. You should take measurements from both sides of the posts to make sure it is equally centered. Measure 1 1/2 inch from the edge, and then place and tap your post in loosely using 2 lag bolts. Remember to always place gaskets to prevent post-base corrosion. To install the spindle fitting, remove the post cap, then measure 3 inches from the top for 3x3 post, or 3 1/4 inch for 2x2 posts, then find and mark your center location. Attach spindle fitting using 4 self-drilling screws included in the kit. Next step is to install the horizontal rails. Start by measuring the exact distance between posts. You then mark and cut the top and bottom railings to the right lengths. Measure and cut the PVC tracks 1 1/2 inch shorter than the rails. Insert the plastic U-channels at each end of the bottom railing. Then, slide in the PVC track and snap it into place. Insert the bottom railing into the spindle fittings, then place the support leg under the railing. Attach the railing to the spindle fittings using 4 self-drilling screws. Next, insert the plastic U-channels at each end of the top railing, then slide in the PVC track and snap into place. Insert the top railing into the spindle fittings and secure it into place with 4 self-drilling screws. Place the support leg at the center of the bottom railing and secure onto deck with 2 screws. Drill drain holes at every 4 inches using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Next step is to level the posts. Add the 2 missing lag bolts and then secure all 4 bolts tightly before taking your level measurement. If the post is not leveled, then loosen the bolts and use the metal shims provided to level the post. Retighten all 4 bolts and check your level again on both sides. Glass panel installation. With 2 people for a safer installation, start by carefully removing the glass panel from the shipping packaging. Measure the width of the panel and the distance between posts to find your centering measurement. Mark your locations where the panels will be centered in the railing. For easier installation, you can rub some dishwashing soap on the top and bottom of the glass panel. Place the panel at the marked measurement and start by inserting the panel inside the top PVC track. Then, you align the panel with the bottom PVC track and insert into place. Then, you measure and trim the rubber spacers to the exact length and insert them into the four corners of the railing. Eight-inch glass panel installation. Start by measuring the distance between the posts and calculate the width of the spacers. Refer to the chart in the installation instructions to determine the correct width. You can then pre-trim all your spacers to the appropriate width. Start on one end of the railing and insert the first spacers. Rub some dishwasher soap on the top and bottom of the panel and insert it into the top PVC track. Then, you insert the panel in the bottom PVC track. Insert the next series of spacers and work your way down the railing. Snap all post base covers into place. And insert post caps.